for those of you who are interested in the saga of my Equinox 2018 Chevy Equinox Diesel. I'm at 24,198. I'm on my way back home from the dealer. They did the complimentary oil change. I gotta check the oil part number and see if it's the proper Dexos 2 oil for this car. They've done the oil changes before on this car, and they got it right. I couldn't recognize the part number. One thing on the paperwork, it said conventional oil. So I don't know if that's a sign. Let's see here. Let's just take a quick look here at what they did. You can see the part numbers for everything. So they replaced, to turn the check engine light off, they replaced the particulate matter sensor. And it's been off since. It's been running fine too. Can't seem to get it to do that weird thing that it did before. I mean, it could be related to that sensor. I doubt it, but who knows? These systems are complex. But my plans for this car, I have an offer in hand. Two offers, actually. One from Carvana, and I'm not sure if they'll still buy cars from me. I had some drama with them a couple years ago. Maybe all the people that caused the drama got fired when they did all their layoffs. Who knows? So that's $21,469, and Vroom was low. Vroom was in the 18s, which is actually the kind of numbers I expected to see from everybody. And CarMax said 21.4. So these offers are still good for a few days. I've got to really mull this over, what I want to do. I like having an SUV, but with as many times as this thing's been in the shop and the weird things that it does, I don't know, I think I'm over it. So I think I may be ready to move on to something else. I'm bidding on some stuff on some of the auction sites. Who knows if I'll win anything. One would make for some cool content. I won't say anything until it actually happens and ends up in my driveway. One of them's kind of across the country, so I'd have to pay for shipping and everything, but the service history is pretty good, and I talked to the owner on the phone. That's always a good thing to do. Yeah, so that's it. This car may be going away and something else may be taking its place. I've put, I don't know, 6,000-ish miles on it in the 7 months or so I had it. It's been in the shop 4 times. You can see my other videos to see all the stuff that's gone wrong with it. But that's the update, and as it stands now, that's the plan.